Healthy oceans mean a healthy world, but they are under attack. Warmer temperatures, pollution, and harmful fishing are putting life underwater in jeopardy. But this decade, we can choose to revive our oceans and make them healthy. In the Bahamas, Coral Vita grows coral on land to replant in the ocean, giving new life to dying ecosystems. Their methods grow coral up to 50 times faster than in the wild and improves resilience of the impacts of climate change. Pristine Seas brings together an expert team of scientists, filmmakers, and policy experts. They have produced over 200 scientific publications and 30 documentary films to inspire others to action. Living Seawalls creates habitat panels that are fitted to standard seawalls. The panels mimic natural formations and are now home to 36% more marine species than standard flat seawalls. Our creativity and commitment on this front will allow our children to enjoy healthy, vibrant oceans for years to come.